space, the final frontier. Oh, I mean the topic of this exam question. Sorry, getting carried away. So we're asked to estimate the height of a moon landing module using the picture below. So this must be the module, and this is an astronaut they've kindly given us to help. So the first thing is to estimate his height. So that's the typical height of a man, plus a bit of space suit. So let's say 2 meters for him. Now I can compare him to the module. So if I mark the top of his head, that's 1 astronaut. Same distance again is about there, so that's 2. Same distance again is about there, so that's 3. And that's the top of the module, so it's about another half. So the module is about 3.5 times the height of the astronaut. So I can estimate the height as 3.5 times 2, which is 7. So our answer is 7 meters. Okay, so there's 3 marks for this. You'd get 1 mark for estimating the height of the astronaut, another mark for doing this calculation, and the 3rd mark for the right answer. It doesn't matter if you use a slightly different number for the height of the astronaut. You get a different answer, but it will be fine as long as it was within a sensible range. Okay, moving on to part B. The diagram below shows the fuel gauge of a moon landing module, and we're asked to find how much fuel is left. So that's this reading here. So we've got to work out what number goes on this notch. So if I look at the nearest numbered ones, that's 40 and 60, which is a difference of 20. And to get from 40 to 60, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 notches. So each one is worth 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So counting on from 40, that's 45, 50, 55. So our answer is 55 litres. Great, all done. Hopefully see you back on Earth for the next question.